Our 5-step process includes create, prep, plan, build, and enjoy. We will visit your home to talk about all the important information which will be the foundation of your project. This visit is an important visit because it will give us an opportunity to discuss budget, timings, access, sizing, recommendations, ideas, any other important information that we need to complete the project together. And of course, any questions you may have. This visit will be enough to give us enough information to create a detailed quote to propose to you. In the next step, we will draft up a written quotation with all the details that we took from our site visit. This will show an itemised scope, itemised schedule, payment rates, payment schedule, and an overall idea on how the whole process will work. This will enable you to come to a decision on if you want to go ahead with our company. Once the quote is approved, we move to step number 3, prepare. The hard work begins and we will then get all the necessary paperwork in order. We will then begin to start organising the deposit, the insurances, and all the specifications that we need for the job. Materials, fixtures, tiles, tapware, you name it. We carry out this process to ensure all of this happens prior to demolition in an orderly manner with no time delays. Many people skip this crucial planning process and then get stuck with waiting on delivery times and other inconveniences. This is why we have our unique step-by-step process in place. It's important to have everything mapped out so everything can run smooth and we can move on to step number 4, build. We are now ready to build your beautiful bathroom. Our first priority is to protect your beautiful home from dust and debris before we even begin to pick up a tool and start demolition in your bathroom. Once the bathroom is completely stripped, we will do a full inspection to look for any unforeseen issues that may have occurred with the plumbing or electrical. We will give you a complete review with quotes and recommendations if any are needed. We carry out a free complete CCTV pipe inspection to make sure that all the plumbing is ready for use. We will also make sure the room is completely square and let you know if any adjustments are needed. We do all this to make sure the structure and piping is ready for your new bathroom. From that point, we mark out the bathroom and show you where everything will be, confirm placement, and then we get started preparing the flooring, walls, etc. for waterproofing, tiling, and installation of all the fittings, where the last thing we do is to get a custom-made shower screen put in. Everything is planned out so that there are no surprises and you know what's happening every step of the way. This is how we have approached every single one of our projects over the last 15 years, which leads us to the best and final step, 5, enjoy. After a thorough clean and all warranties are issued, we will have one final walkthrough with our team, and then all that's left to do is enjoy your new bathroom.